Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to dive deep into CrowdStrike. We previously published a report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on all our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's essential to stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've got you covered with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.94. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 73.24% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 67 days ago. This means that on average, you would have earned a return of 1.09% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential rise in the future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 58.21% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 48.87% to 61.17%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 106.98% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 45.89% to 108.15%. This indicates a price range of $441.31 to $629.64 after 1 year. Our latest update for CrowdStrike brings some news. The evaluation of CrowdStrike stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. On Monday, February 5, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price saw a decrease of 0.356%, dropping from $303.57 to $302.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.13%, reaching a low of $295.57 and a high of $307.77. It's been a period of ups and downs, with a 1.28% gain over the last 2 weeks. Although the volume increased by 323,000 shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 2 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $748.74 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $307.77, while the lowest price was $107.60. Currently, the price is 1.71% below the 52-week high, which is $307.77. This is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Wedbush gave CRWD a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Truist Financial gave CRWD a underperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave CRWD a overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Needham gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to talk about the signals we've identified for CrowdStrike. Let's start with the stock's performance. There are mixed signals in the stock today. On Friday, February 2, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the stock to fall by -0.356%. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, we currently have a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign that the stock should be monitored closely. However, it's not all bad news. The CrowdStrike stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, there will be some support from the lines at $298.61 and $274.57 if the stock corrects down. However, if it breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots also show a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gave a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 193 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 226 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has 2 key levels to watch. The first one is at $273.77, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level at $236.99. Another support level to keep in mind is at $234.44. These levels indicate where buying pressure has historically been strong, potentially acting as a floor for the stock. It's important to note that testing a support level carries some risk. If the support is broken, the stock could continue to decline. However, if the support holds, it may indicate a potential bounce back up. As for the risk associated with CrowdStrike, it is considered medium. The stock has average daily movements and good trading volume. Yesterday, it moved $12.20 between its high and low, which accounts for a 4.13% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.7%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's first go over some important fundamental information. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. On another note, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 5, 2024. Now, let's go over some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $303.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas sold 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -45.560. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we're discussing a recommended stop loss for this stock, set at $293.61, which represents a decrease of 2.94%. When it comes to this stock's daily movements, they fall into the medium range, which means there is a moderate level of risk involved. Additionally, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for CrowdStrike stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of CrowdStrike stock is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6th, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open down $0.548 and begin trading at $301.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source to base your investment choices on. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please leave a comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear your target for the stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors and wish you a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.